guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, check out Sperry, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe right down below. Today we are going to do this crochet hair, and it's actually a new hack. I've not seen anybody done it before, so I believe I'm the first person doing it. I'm not sure. Anyways, first of all, you don't need any cornrows. All you need is just a regular single braids. It can be twist, it can be box braids, it don't really matter. And the next thing you want to do is grab your crochet hair and put a pencil or a pen or something that you can push through the loop, and then just drag it down to open it up. The next thing is you're just going to crochet it down to the scalp of your hair, and then with the open part you're just going to wrap it around the braid that you have, as you can see me doing at this moment. You can choose not to open it like very long all at the same time. You can just open it little by little as you go on, because you don't want to open it way too long either, and then at the end you have a very long piece which is open. It doesn't really make it pretty. So as you can see, we've gotten to the end part of it, which is just a little bit. You want to tuck it in between the open part, and then you just want to twirl it around your finger. And the last part of this hair piece will show you like exactly what I mean by that. This is another part of it. So as I said, just pushing your pencil or your pen through it, then you just want to drag it down. And next thing, you just want to twirl a little bit to make it easier to go on the crochet pin. So close the hatch and just drag it through. Then you're gonna pull the piece of it in between the hair, just like that. Fantastic. So you see how you have the open piece, you just want to wrap it around your hair. And you want to actually braid to almost like the end of the hair. You just want a little bit left, and your fingers through the piece, grab that, pull it through, then pull the hair a little bit just to get any open piece like straighten up, and then twirl it around your finger. I'm sorry if my voice sounds crappy. I'm kind of having a little bit of cold at this moment, so pardon me. So this last set is what actually gives you a detailed tutorial. So as you can see, I have it that long, and then I have the crochet pin. Going to put the hair on the latch and close it. Then grab that through. So you can see it's a little bit longer than that, which is okay because you're wrapping, and so it gets like smaller. So I got this hair off on Amazon, and it actually came 6 packs in a bag, and the packaging was very cute. It had a crochet pin and hair accessories in there, and it was really affordable. I think it was 20 bucks, and you could literally do this kind of hair maybe twice or 3 times from it. So go check them out. So that's how much I'm left with. You can see that, and then I'm just going to tack that through the small open hair left. That's it in the center, and then I pulled it down just to straighten up the hair, and then I'm just going to twirl it like naturally around it, and it's not a struggle. So you can see you're all done, and it looks good. So with this, you can actually just style it any way you want, because you don't have cornrows in the back. It's just like individual braids. So I really love this, and I will show you guys how I style my hair in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for it, so that when I drop it, you'll be able to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should